Get there together. Visiting Amlwch, Canolfan Iechyd Amlwch surgery. When you arrive, you may have to queue outside. Blue tape has been placed on the ground spaced 2 meters apart, showing you where to queue. The front door is locked. Please press the bell and wait to speak to a member of staff. The door will then be opened if you have an appointment. On the front door is a sign reminding you to wear a mask unless medically exempt. It is also asked patients not to wear disposable gloves, as hand sanitizer will be available for you as you enter. A clear screen has been placed on the reception counter between the staff and patients. If you are visiting the surgery for a flu jab, please follow the red stickers on the floor, which will direct you to the flu clinic. Stickers on the floor are distanced 2 meters apart.